Thomas and Friends. Morning, Summer. Every day is a brand new adventure. Climb aboard with Thomas and Friends. Weekdays on PBS Kids or anytime on the PBS Kids video app.
Splash and Bubbles is made possible in part by the National Science Foundation, where discoveries begin, the Corporation for Public Broadcasting, and by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you.
His friends love to discover new things about nature. Wow, check out the moves on that honeybee. She's dancing. Know why? Bees use a special dance called a waggle to talk to each other. That's right. She's telling all her other bee friends to come this way. I found us some food. Everybody waggle now. You can explore and learn more cool things.
Splash and Bubbles.
Visit that at pbskids.org. But stick around. There's lots of fun up next on PBS Kids.
Funding for Curious George is provided by contributions to the PBS station and from viewers like you. Thank you.
And was made possible